Should you upgrade to the iPhone 16 Pro? Here's what I recommend. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wondershare MobileTrans channel. And if you've watched my previous video, you know I've been testing out the new iPhone 16 Pro. Today, let's talk about whether you should upgrade. For those of you with an iPhone 13 or older, this upgrade is a no-brainer. You'll notice significant improvements across the board, better performance with the new A18 Pro chip. It vastly improved camera quality and that beautiful ProMotion display with a 120Hz refresh rate. These aren't just tweaks, they make the phone feel like a completely new experience. However, if you have an iPhone 14 or 15, I'd say you might want to hold off. The upgrades are there, but they are more incremental. You won't feel a massive difference that justifies the cost of upgrading. Let's quickly recap the positives. We have super solid build quality, a stunning display, and fantastic camera performance. The A18 Pro chip also ensures you're future-proofed for a good while ahead. And it also has the cool action button from iPhone 15 on its side, which gives you the ability to program it to a shortcut of your choosing. Neat. On the downside, it's incremental. Nothing revolutionary here. Plus, the much hyped Apple Intelligence features are still missing in action. So we don't get the full experience just yet. If you're a tech enthusiast who loves to have the latest and greatest, then go for it. The performance upgrades are real, even if they're subtle. The gaming enhancements and camera improvements especially stand out. For those who rely heavily on their phone's camera or enjoy immersive gaming experiences, these upgrades could make a noticeable difference. But for the average user, especially with those with recent models, I'd say wait for the next cycle. Apple's clearly focusing on incremental improvements these days, and it might be worth holding out for something more groundbreaking. In terms of everyday use, both the battery life and software remain excellent, with iOS 18 offering some neat new features that enhance the overall user experience. You'll get the usual long software support from Apple, which is usually a plus, a device that'll stay relevant for years to come. Now, if you're someone who uses their phone for professional work like video editing, photography, or even high-end mobile gaming, the iPhone 16 Pro might just be the powerhouse you're looking for. The hardware, accelerated ray tracing, and enhanced camera capabilities are geared towards users who need top-tier performance. So, to summarize, if your current phone is starting to show its age, or you're very eager about the latest tech, the iPhone 16 Pro is a fantastic choice. But if you're happy with your iPhone 14 or 15, the incremental updates might not justify the upgrade, and you may want to wait for the next big leap from Apple to come. Just want to thank you for tuning in. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Are you planning to upgrade to the iPhone 16 Pro? If so, what features are you most excited about? Remember, for a chance to win one of 3 iPhone 16s, make sure you comment below, like and subscribe to our channel. Your engagement means the world to us and helps us bring the latest tech reviews. See you next time on the Wondershare MobileTrans channel.